Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about my favorite detective film. So let's start. As my favorite detective film I've chosen for Sherlock Holmes: A Game of Shadows. It's the second movie where Robert Downey Jr. has the main role. The film takes place in 1891 where Sherlock is busy finding solutions for a couple of murders and terrorist attacks, which he suspects have all been organized by one person, named Professor Moriarty. Professor Moriarty is a very rich person who has a lot of companies, and in the movie he is the opponent of Sherlock. Happily enough, Sherlock also has a best friend called Dr. Watson, who helps him. At Watson's wedding, Sherlock meets Moriarty for the first time. Unfortunately, Professor Moriarty knows that Sherlock is keeping an eye on him. For that reason, Moriarty warns Sherlock that if he keeps following him, he will kill Dr. Watson and his wife. But Sherlock doesn't stop following him. That's why Moriarty lets his accomplices attack Dr. Watson and his wife on a train ride during their honeymoon. Happily enough, Sherlock could prevent his best friend getting killed by killing all the accomplices on the train. After that, Sherlock travels to Paris, where he finds a group of anarchists who do bomb attacks for Moriarty. He finds out that Moriarty is planning another bomb attack, but he doesn't know where it will occur. He suspects it to happen in the Opéra de Paris, but in fact it happens in a hotel where some businessmen are doing a meeting. A lot of persons get killed, under whom Meinhardt. Meinhardt is a rich person who has a weapon factory together with Moriarty. Now that he is dead, Moriarty has full control of that factory. But why would he do that? Sherlock finds out that Moriarty now has all the factories which produce all the products you need in a war, like weapons, bandages and so on. The only thing Moriarty now needs to get rich is a war. That's why he has planned one last attack on the International Peace Conference in Switzerland. Happily enough, Sherlock can intercept the attack, which would have caused a world war, and he can kill Moriarty by throwing him into a waterfall. I've chosen for this film as my favorite detective movie because I do really like the storyline and the way Sherlock does his research and his crazy ideas. Unfortunately, these ideas make it sometimes difficult to understand what he's doing. Happily enough, his helper, Dr. Watson, doesn't understand him too, and asks the questions you need to understand the movie. Overall, I find that Sherlock is a real smart and mysterious person who also brings a lot of action into the movie. I do also really like that in the movie everything is very truthful. Everyone is dressed like it was in 1891, and also every house is decorated like it was back then. So this was my vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye!